Aww. Aww. Tanga! Tanga ba? Murloc eh! Dumating si Papa Bear. Bilis niya magalo dun eh. Unahin ko ata to eh. Saka disarm magandang kailangan dito eh. Sa may bear, kailangan mo ng disarm. Diba silang lahat? Puta.
Your top tower is under attack.
Ay gago! I'm gonna die!
Your top tower is under attack.
Ano sila dun? Ano to? 1-4.
Your top tower is under attack. Your top tower has fallen.
Lakas mo naman mag-board! Taka ka sa amin ni Pin eh! Ano ba talaga? Ano ba talaga, Kyle? Si Kyle Simbit eh, ayutan to eh. Hindi pa nababalik yung PLDT ah. Kailan babalik tong PLDT na to? Yung Converge bumalik na eh, wala. So, sa pati yung ano ah. If you TP 5-6, I just didn't see the two guys here. I underestimated them. Ibaling page lang naman daw may oo eh. No yun. Saludos, Yukra, Conde Israel, amigo mandar, saludos la pamilya Yukra, saludos cabron, buenas noches. Pakisampal ng PLDT. Flexan mo nga ng branch ng Petron, pre. Nice. Resume it. Nice. 400 gold na lang. Easy na naman to. Kukrono ko lang, trabaho ko lang, kukrono ko lang yung morph tsaka ano dito, beer eh. Nakakabalik pa itong bobong to ah. Tala, may tornado pa, pre. Oh, ano yan? Ah! Meron, ba't sobrang itong ano, may Vanguard Mecha pala si Gago. Sobrang yaman pala nun ah. Patay na naman siya, pre. Paano tayo mananalo dyan, pre? Pag ganyan, pre. Basta patakboy nyo lang itong ano, invoker. Itong ilalabunin! Naman, hindi nila pinapatakbo si invoker. Ano nang patakbo si invoker? Nakapag-stick. Ano? Ano yun lang, tapos namamatay na ako. William J. Heroic Expert taken! May pa-party ka, wala. Solo lang ako, boss. Pinigil ko lang mag-party with viewers. Katangaan nyo kasi, boss eh. Lalo na yung Baril PH tsaka Boyongi. Sobrang bobo nun eh. Na-high-blood ako lalo. Wow. Good na.
Your bottom tower is under
Wait,
attack.
for chrono. Patient.
Dire structures are fortified.
You got chrono, you can just do.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower has fallen. That ended well.
Yeah, for the other guys.
Kapal naman nung ano. Tara, may draw.
Can push tower actually. We need to rush.
Careful tower lah. Careful tower lah. No need to rush lah. No need to rush. Magkakas pa kasi yan eh.
Just as well.
Tower, tormentor, wisdom.
Tower, tormentor lah. Tower, tormentor. Tower, tormentor lah. No need rush. No need rush lah.
Their bottom tower has
Go,
fallen.
tormentor, wisdom. Nice.
Don't let bear catch. Don't let bear catch daw. Ano rank mo, Crusader Tubos? Ayutan, Daniel! Kamusta na miss ka, Pudge? Wala boss eh. Ban pa rin boss eh. Donzi! Donzi! Gising na may-ari ng 5 Petron branch. Grabe, 5 pala, boss. Grabe pala yan si Bading James Silva. Nilamig ako bigla.
I'll take that.
Draw behind, draw step behind. Kata.
Utang ina nyo, mga bobo kayo! Tang ina nyo, ha? Mga bobo kayo, ha? Mga bobo kayo lahat! Puta ina! Mga bading PH! Malakas ka ba? Malakas ka ba, boy, ha? Putang ina mo, ha? Morph ka pala eh, ano? Morph ka, pre? Morph ka pala eh, ha? Morph ka! Putang ina mo! Kulit na itong gagong to ah. Mas makulit to. Baka TikTok boy yan! Kulit si gago ah. Ay, no! Wala, putang ina mo.
Radiant structures are
Ang na naman yun.
Your top tower is under attack.
No patch report. Grabe naman yung chrono. Basta ano, basta makuha yung ano nun eh. Kailangan ko lang ng split. I just need split seconds. Ayaw pa kasing makinig eh. Ayaw pa kasing makinig dun sa nagsasabing mag-back na eh. No patch, no report. Nice died no Cornel.
Mine at last.
Malakas ka daw. Siyempre, prosadog to boss. Malakas tong prosadog to pre.
Wanna go? I think they rush. Oh, rush run away. Go top, go top, go top. I think we can secure the rush.
Roshan has fallen to the Radiant.
Okay, never mind. Reset. Wait for FP. I think they'll just push tower, so let them come. Yeah, let them come.
Ano na naman yung bear eh. Papatayin na naman ako ng bear.
Your top tower is under attack.
Ano yung gagong yun?
Catch it.
Your top
Go,
tower
please,
is
please.
under attack.
Ay, pa!
They heard us.
Namatay si Sven.
Back now. They're coming. Back now.
Back now! Back! Nakakabahan ako sa boses mo. Back!
Yeah, not bad. Quite good.
We can get
we
from
can
behind.
defend the wave. Chill. Just let me defend the wave. They can't push with me around.
Wala akong mana. I have mana problem.
You gotta dive though. Chill. Don't go up.
Ano na mana? Why? Ano? Kaya gusto ko ng Mage Slayer eh. Hindi ako nawawala ng mana eh. Void of lane no,
Middle tower
boss.
is under attack.
TikTok Void.
Chill.
Ayun lang.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Kung ng rook yan.
One diamond.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Chill. Don't overcommit. Just chill.
May mana burn pa rin ba to?
Have reinforced their structures. Your bottom tower is under attack.
Help me, no mana, no mana, no mana.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
I will reset, careful, careful.
Any mana, badly.
Sino ba kasi target nyo?
Kill.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Your bottom tower has fallen. Your bottom tower is under attack. The Dire have reinforced their structure.
Ay, gago! Nabuhay pa yan? Ay, shit! Bumalik ako! Ba't ako bumalik? Sige, never mind. Kaya pala eh. Putang ina, my god! This deck build so good! My god, this deck build so good, man! Baka manipit yan! Ganun ang mag-FB Void. Ganun ang mag-FB3. Bading PH. Hindi kasi alam ni Bading PH yung mga ganung galawan eh. Mana problem lang talaga. Mana problem lang talaga.
Looks like Radiant closed the blast doors.
Mana problem.
Middle tower has fallen.
Hater na ba rin page yan? Siyempre, tumi-tiktok yan eh.
On chrono, we can go. Yeah.
Madaya to eh.
Regen. Okay.
I'll take that.
Yeah, after Tommy.
Tormy, didn't smoke.
Clear the way. Drone, you want to come, Drone?
Come, man, come.
Take this.
Careful.
You can't move.
Putang ina, sobrang galing talaga niya itong boy na to. Oh my god! Palit kay Bading PH, guys! Ay, fuck ta, yes! Yun yung diffusal. Fuck diffusal, bro. We have enough burst damage, we have draw, we have fucking shit and shit.
Structures are fortified.
Get out,
Your
bro.
bottom tower is under attack.
Be, baka bit.
Your bottom tower has fallen. They are on a killing spree.
Guys.
Grabe naman ta.
I don't wanna.
Ano naman napin yan?
More. WP.
Tanginang mga internet service provider talaga yan eh. Muntik pa akong mamatay nun.
Oh, no bear, no bear.
Oh, no bear? Okay. No bear pala eh.
Yeah.
Meron na.
No big heavy. Guys, let's do it.
Ayan na, let's do it na daw eh.
Your middle
It's
tower
up, a little bit.
Kill spree. What have you got? That is a hacking at limbs, blood spraying everywhere.
Buisit naman na kasi lalagyan! Oh my god, this idiot.
Let's go, alright.
Ayun, bumaba konti. Cabron, Daniel Robles, nakalato sa Twitch. Meron ulit, pre. Ay, hindi ko lang alam. Tip Void. Go. Set up.
Dominating.
Your middle tower is under attack. Bad news for you fans of towers out there.
Kung ano yan?
Roshan has fallen to die.
Ano, ang kulit naman na itong Morphle nito.
Cancelled, guys, I get cancelled.
Unahin ko to, pre. Ako na ito eh.
I'm coming.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Killing spree.
Baka may kantalinat yan! Ang ano, naka-TP siya. Gago.
Get me banner. Get me banner.
Evasion o silence? Evasion no? May MKB ba to? Oh, may ganun pala siya. Ito na lang para kailangan ko ng armor eh. I think mas ano yun.
Your middle tower is under siege. Dire has fortified its structures. Radiant structures have been fortified. Your middle tower is
I don't
being
have TP.
attacked. Your top tower has been destroyed.
Dito sa top. Ano, nag-i-split sila. Gago itong mga to ah. Putang ina mo. Tang ina! Nag-split to mga bobong pa! Parang balik PH lang, mga bobo kasi. Uy, yun, si Ryan Pereira, si JC.
Can we catch? We lot.
Easy 300. Oo, kasi ang sarap niya eh. Kahit kasi yung target kanina dito eh, Pit Lord tsaka Witch Doctor. Kailangan mamamatay talaga na ano sa Chrono eh. Nice! 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 Nice!
I still don't.
I'm defending bottom.
Either my eyes are liars, or that's
Let me take the outpost. Sylvain.
Bye, travel!
Thank you, thank you. Don't do it. Play bush.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. Well, your bottom tower is under attack. Hands off the trigger.
Bobo ka! Bobo ka! Long Druid pabor! Puki na yung mga Long Druid players kayo eh! Mga bading kayo eh! Mga bading yung hero nyo!
The enemy's middle barracks has fallen. By accident, the enemy's
Guys, take it
middle
out, take it
barracks
out,
has been
guys.
destroyed.
Sobrang lakas yung mga hero eh! Yan yung mga pinipik ni ano eh! Yan yung mga pinipik nila ano eh! Nila bading PH eh! Mga high win rate na hero.
I'm not gonna say wicked sin or things that I drive twice, but
The enemy's bottom barracks has been destroyed. The enemy's bottom barracks has fallen.
Aegis.
For all the good entertainment.
Ganyan pa ba siya? May chrono pa! May chrono pa ha! May chrono pa ako. Ano yung bear? Rat pa bear! Rat mo pa yan! Uy, napababak sila! Gago ito mga to ha!
Radiant's courier has been carried.
Ay, ba't ka lumabas? Pre, ba't ka pumasok? I mean... Puta! Nakan yun! Nakasimpa ako! Tapos na lapat eh! Pumasok pa siya sa ano? Pumasok pa siya sa Chrono. Okay, anyway, baka 71st win rate Faceless Void yan, pre! Inis! Nakakainis. Hindi, pasto yan. Buhay pa. Ay, ito. Patay.
look at you down there. You are dominating right now. I'm so goddamn proud of you. I can punch a wall.
Muntigan pa! Tangin na, pinapakaba ako na itong mga internet na to ah! Puta ka na talaga itong mga internet sa Pilipinas eh! Gapakabaling itong mga internet dito sa Pilipinas!
Victory for Dire.
Hard game, guys! So hard! Easy Didi! Easy Didi! Very basic! Very basic, pre, ha? Very basic. Partida eh! Putak ilang na! Team overtime sa loob. Wala, ayoko na ba? Kinabahan ako nung nadi-DC eh. Kinakabahan ako pag nadi-DC kasi. Ano yan? Very basic! Ganon lang mag-faceless void, guys. Very basic, easy DD. Oh, may rank na ulit ako mamaya. Pre. Oh, dahil tinipan niyo ako, I will tip you guys back. Dahil you guys not cry. Okay, very good. Very good team overall. Asan si 150? Di na naglalaro si 150 ah. Man, why suggest pick into Rubik? Wala, core diff lang yan. Mga bobo kasi yung ano eh. Bobo tong LD na to. Bobo pa tong morph na to eh. Mas ibig yun, anti-board yung mga hero lang. Pero sobrang ano. Low-key the better underlord. Wala, bukas ulit. Kailangan ko munang bumalik yung PLDT. Hindi ko pa di ba na kita, William. Divine ka, di ba? Ikaw to, di ba, pre? Di pa? O, di ba na-add? Hindi pa pala. Sino to? Ikaw ba to? Immortal na daw tong si William J. Killraiser Experer second, ah. Tugoy. Na kita, pre. Accept na lang pala, malagyan ko agad ng nickname. Wala, team overtime, wala. Ang ina kasing PLDT, hindi pa nakakabalik. Pag nakabalik na yung PLDT, doon tayo mag-ano. Itong load balancer ko eh. Esos, time out. And anyway guys, this stream is brought to you by Melbet, the newest betting site in the Philippines. Sa mga gustong tumaya ng playoffs mamaya sa PGL Wallachia, gamitin nyo ang aking link dyan sa comment section. Gamitin nyo ang code na Chang777. Tapos ito ang ating parlay. Yung mga yung mga favored yung teams na teams yung aking tinayan for today. Pero if ever man na ang tatalong ata dito na favored team na yung Falcons tsaka Abolus. Eto ata sure win to eh. Posible pang matalo to. Actually sure win lang to eh. Posible pang tatalong. Baka pag may mag-accept dito kasi yung Biscos tsaka Nouns eh. Yun lang naman. Tanggay wala ba? Sobrang taas nung ping. Hindi nyo pa, parang sobrang lagkit kanina eh, nung na-DC ako eh, putang ina yun. So, ayun! I'm out. I'll see you again tomorrow or mamaya. Pag bumalik yung PLDT mamaya, mag-isim ulit ako mamaya. Bye-bye!